Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I build a list and make money online using nothing but the tools and training provided in Profit Canvas. And I want you to pay special attention to this video because even if you decide that Profit Canvas isn't for you, this is still going to be good, solid training that's going to help you with your online business. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you're looking at right here is the Profit Canvas drag and drop page builder. Now this is just one of the apps that are included in the Profit Canvas system. However, this is the one that we're going to use for this example. And what you can see here is I've used Profit Canvas to quickly and easily create a very simple squeeze page. And the way I've done that is I clicked on the template section here, I picked a template, and then I simply edit it with the drag and drop system. Now what I'm doing with this squeeze page is I'm giving away one of my premium plugins, my Jacker plugin, in exchange for the opt-in. So I have my headline to catch their attention, says stop and watch. This amazing plugin gives anyone instant authority, content, and traffic. It's also 100% free. I then have a video showing off the plugin and of course an opt-in form so people can opt in and get the plugin. Now I have the opt-in form set to redirect them to the plugin download file so that way once they opt in they can instantly download their plugin. At the very bottom I have a little warning just to add some scarcity saying that it's a limited time giveaway and if they don't get it now it might not be available later. Now I wanted this to be a true test of the Profit Canvas system, so not only did I use Profit Canvas to build a squeeze page, but I'm also giving away the Jacker Gold WordPress plugin. And the reason I chose to give away that plugin is because that is one of the plugins that we provide for free to Profit Canvas members. You actually get giveaway rights to this plugin, so I really am only using things that are provided in Profit Canvas. Now, once I finished this squeeze page, I then used Facebook ads to send traffic to that squeeze page. I spent $10 on Facebook ads, and I think I got around 200 clicks to the squeeze page. Now, this video would be pretty long if I included training on how to run Facebook ads. However, there is training that explains the exact methods that I used in the training section of Profit Canvas. So again, I'm still only following the training and what is provided inside of Profit Canvas. So let me go back over to the main dashboard and show you the results that I got from that ad. Okay, so here we are. We're on my main Profit Canvas page dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the graph icon next to the Jacker promo. That is the page that I built for this list building, and I'm going to go ahead and see the results. Now you can see the graph is kind of faded away, and that's because I ran the ad several days ago, so they're not getting a lot of traffic anymore since the ad is now done. But you can see for the $10 that I spent, I got 324 unique hits to my squeeze page, which isn't pretty bad. I mean, that's a few cents per click. But what's going to be important is the number of opt-ins that I got from that squeeze page, because really you're not trying to get hits, you're trying to get opt-ins, you're trying to build up your email list. So let's go ahead and see how many opt-ins I got. And in order to do that, I'm simply going to click on this little envelope icon. And you can see I got 161 opt-ins from that $10. So I was only paying about 7 or 8 cents per email address that I added to my list. Now once I got that 161 opt-ins, the next step was going to be to monetize that. I needed to make money from those opt-ins. I wanted to make back my ad costs, but I also wanted to make some profit as well, because let's be honest, this is why we do this online. We want to make some money from our efforts. Now, the normal thing that people will do once they build up an email list, or even a little bit of an email list, is they'll use an autoresponder and they'll start sending out affiliate offers. And affiliate offers are a great way to make money from your email list. They're really cool because you don't actually have to do much work. You don't have to build the product. You don't have to support the product, answer support emails. All you do is send the traffic, get the sales, and you get usually at least 50% of the sales price. And it really doesn't get much simpler than that. But what most people will do once they build their list is they'll go to their autoresponder and they'll send out this either pre-written email or this really hypey email to their new list and try to get them to click on their links and hopefully buy the product that they're promoting. And that's actually a really bad idea. I'm going to go ahead and show you a real life example of what happens when you use your autoresponder to send people directly to a sales page. Now, I really don't like to do this because I know it's a bad idea. I know it's a bad tactic, but I wanted to give a real life example and show you what happens when you send a link directly to a sales page. So you can see right here, I'm actually in my Aweber account. And if we look down here, you can see that I sent this affiliate promo to 5,888 subscribers. So almost 6,000 subscribers. And so far, 356 people have opened that email and 110 people have clicked on it. So 110 people have clicked on my affiliate link right now and gone over to the product that I am promoting. Now let's see what kind of results I'm getting though. So this is actually my JV Zoo affiliate dashboard now, and if we look right here, this is the product that I promoted. And again, like I said, I don't like to promote products this way, but I did need to do it so that I can teach you guys what not to do. But you can see here, I sent 118 visitors so far, and I got one sale, less than 1% conversion. This product is actually converting at about 14% average over all affiliates. So that means right now the average affiliate is doing about 15 or 16 times better than I'm doing. And the reason they're doing better is because I did the wrong thing. I did it deliberately so I could teach you, but I still did the wrong thing. I sent traffic directly to the sales page. Even though I sent thousands of emails out, I didn't get many clicks, and the people that did click aren't buying. So the question then becomes, how do we send traffic to a sales page and how do we send traffic to an affiliate promo the right way? Well, the answer is you send them to a bonus page first. When you send them to a bonus page, you are going to get way better clicks and way better conversions than if you send people directly to the sales page. You're also going to get a lot less opt-outs and a lot less spam complaints. The problem that a lot of people have though is they're not web designers. They can't create a bonus page themselves. They don't have the HTML coding ability. They don't have the graphics design ability. And some of them don't even have hosting either. They don't have a website to put a bonus page on anyway. Fortunately though, Profit Canvas comes with the drag and drop page builder that you can use to quickly and easily create a bonus page, and we can also host it on our unbranded domain for you. And that's exactly what I did for a different promotion and what I used to monetize the list that I built with the Jack Jacker promo. So here is the product right here. I was actually promoting keyword suggestion. And let me go ahead and edit this so you can see what the page looks like. It has my watch this below to learn more. It has a little video explaining what I was giving away. And I was actually giving away a series of training videos, which, by the way, are also included for you in the Profit Canvas Vault. And originally I had my affiliate link underneath the video. Now I don't have it now because I told everybody that it was a limited time bonus. And that's something that you should think about when you're doing your bonus pages. Add a little bit of scarcity in there to make it a limited time bonus. And you can add scarcity very easily with the drag and drop timer widget. Simply enter in your countdown time and you'll have a countdown timer to add scarcity to your bonus page. But whatever you do, make sure that you always stick to the scarcity. Don't do false scarcity because you're just going to be teaching people not to believe you. So I don't do false scarcity, and that's why after the bonus period ended, I removed the buy button and I removed the countdown timer and I put this sorry, thank you for coming message. Now, in order to show you the results that I got from this promotion, I was going to show you my JV Zoo account. But truthfully, that wouldn't be very fair because I had other promotions going on at the same time. And I want this demonstration to show only the results from things that are 100% provided inside of Profit Canvas. So what I decided to do is just show you my PayPal account. You can see on my PayPal account I was doing the promo on September 27th, and you can see Radu's company has sent me several payments right here. But more importantly, what happened the next day. If you look at our Skype chat from the next day, you can actually see I sent enough sales that I got $1,000 bonus on top of my 50% commissions. So it really is a pretty clear choice when you use the training and the tools provided in Profit Canvas. Do enough sales that you actually get $1,000 bonuses, or get super low conversions like I'm doing from the demonstration promotion that I just showed you. And finally, one last time, I just want to mention that everything that I used for this promotion to build that list and to make money online is provided inside of Profit Canvas. I built my squeeze page and my bonus page with the Profit Canvas drag and drop page builder. For a lead magnet, I used one of the free softwares provided in the software section of the Vault that comes with white label, rebranding, and giveaway rights. In order to give a bonus away for my promo, I used one of the free trainings that are provided in the training section. And even to build my list, I followed the training on how to effectively use Facebook ads that is also provided in the training section. There is nothing that I used that isn't provided inside of Profit Canvas.